Professor Ogeng Latigo omuhindu mukuru w'omuceeri kandi owabiireho omwebembezi kumara obwire buringwa nowabira kurira omutwe gw'abarambuzi baburengerwa izooba okurugira Professor Latigo orugendo rw'okuronda abasinguzi barutandikireho ima Kyenjojo, Fort Portal, Kitagwenda, Ibanda, Mbarara City, Bushenyi, Shema, Ntungamo kandi bahenderera izooba omu district y'Isingiro.
Now this year, because the environment is okay, we started by the profiles that were sent to New Vision. Throughout the country, 100 farmers were profiled. And then we have 12 working regions, two of which I'm covering.
Omuri Mbarara City barambwire Martin Kananuro muri Sakando Omuhingi, Shema District batayire Juliet Nagaba kandi Bushenyi District batayire Simpo Wagaba n'ababahingi kandi abarisa.
Under livestock, we have cows, both dairy and beef. We have goats, we have sheep, we have rabbits, we have a poultry farm.
Nahinga horutoke orumu ebitoke bindu kwihamu nabyo bindu kusharura kandi hamwe na n'umwana. Ebitoke ninsharura mpora mpora ahabwo kuba nkarucendeza naza munonga hakuri sente ahabwo kuba kikaba kiri cyetago cyanje.
Konka ntinga umwani na n'orutoke. Konka business ekukirayo ekufeedinga ezindi zona nayo kuri sente z'amate.
Omu district ya Ntungamo barebera omuhingi wa Manhaj Abbas Iga kandi Isingiro batayire na Swiru na Rukwago omutunji w'obume.
But the project has 5 good years. That's can culture. 5 good years on the farm.
Ati nyine honka nursery bed naye eriyo kwayo nishaho ngira enimero y'omwani nayo eitukushoroma omwani ka family tukagurundana then tukateka na factory yo gusa.
Professor Latigo ashabire government kongera kushagika abahingi n'abarisa abagizire ngo bingi bine bizubu ebiri kucumbagiza emirimo yabo.
But the farmers will be destroyed by climate change, by the high cost of credit, and by credit which is short term. Agriculture is a long term thing. If we can consolidate all this credit in the different banks and create an agricultural bank.
Empaka z'omuhingi n'omurisa w'omutano nizibaho buri mwaka kandi zikatandikwaho ekitongole kya Vision Group omwaka gw'2013 nizihagirwa aba DFCU Bank hamwe na the Royal Netherlands Embassy. Abahingi n'abarisa bari kukigana nibo betabira omu mpaka z'omwaka ogu. Gasha kwa Abdukalim Sengendo.